Gabriela, Clove and Cinnamon by Jorge Amado is a quintessential piece of Brazilian literature that weaves a rich tapestry of romance, politics, and cultural transformation set in the town of Ilhéus during the early 20th century. Published in 1958, the novel offers a vivid portrayal of a society in flux, capturing the essence of Brazilian life with warmth, humor, and deep social insight. The story revolves around Gabriela, a beautiful and free-spirited migrant worker, and her relationship with Nacib, a Syrian bar owner, against the backdrop of Ilhéus's booming cacao trade and political upheaval. Gabriela arrives in Ilhéus fleeing the drought-stricken Sorteio, and her arrival brings a breath of fresh air to the town. She becomes the cook at Nacib's bar, Vesuvius, where her culinary skills and vibrant personality quickly win over the locals. Gabriela's beauty and charm disrupt the conservative social order, challenging traditional norms and stirring desires among the townspeople. Her relationship with Nacib evolves from employer-employee to lovers, symbolizing the intersection of old and new values. Nacib's struggle to reconcile his love for Gabriela with societal expectations forms the crux of the narrative, highlighting the tension between tradition and modernity. Amado's portrayal of Ilhéus is rich and multifaceted, filled with a cast of memorable characters who represent various facets of Brazilian society. From the ambitious Colonel Ramiro Bastos, who clings to the old ways, to the progressive Mundinho Falcão, who champions modernization, each character adds depth to the social and political landscape of the novel. The story deftly explores themes of power, corruption, and change, using the town's cacao boom as a metaphor for the broader transformation occurring in Brazil. The novel's charm lies in Amado's ability to blend humor and satire with poignant social commentary. His narrative style is warm and inviting, drawing readers into the lives of his characters with a keen eye for detail and a deep sense of empathy. Amado's use of magical realism, though subtle, adds a layer of enchantment to the story, making Ilhéus feel both real and fantastical. One of the most striking aspects of Gabriela, Clove and Cinnamon is its portrayal of gender roles and the emancipation of women. Gabriela, with her independent spirit and natural sensuality, embodies a new kind of femininity that challenges the patriarchal norms of the time. Her refusal to conform to societal expectations forces the men around her, especially Nacib, to confront their own prejudices and desires. This theme of personal and social liberation resonates throughout the novel, making it both a romantic and a revolutionary work. In conclusion, Gabriela, Clove and Cinnamon is a richly layered novel that captures the essence of Brazilian culture and the complexities of social change. Jorge Amado's masterful storytelling, combined with his deep love for his country and its people, makes this novel a timeless classic. It is a celebration of life, love, and the enduring spirit of humanity, offering readers both entertainment and profound insights into the human condition. Here are 5 highlights everyone needs to know about Jorge Amado's Gabriela, Clove and Cinnamon. Setting in historical context, the novel is set in the town of Ilhéus, Bahia, during the 1920s, a period marked by a cacao boom and significant social and political changes in Brazil. This backdrop provides a rich context for the story, illustrating the clash between traditional values and modernization. Main characters and plot: the story revolves around Gabriela, a beautiful and free-spirited migrant worker who becomes a cook at Nacib's bar, and Nacib, a Syrian bar owner who falls in love with her. Their relationship highlights the tension between personal desires and societal expectations, reflecting broader themes of change and adaptation. Themes of social change and modernization: the novel explores the impact of economic prosperity on social structures and individual lives. Characters like Colonel Ramiro Bastos represent the old guard clinging to power, while figures like Mundinho Falcão embody the push for progress and modernization. Gender roles and emancipation: Gabriela's character challenges traditional gender roles with her independent spirit and sensuality. Her presence and actions prompt a reevaluation of societal norms, particularly concerning women's roles and freedoms, making the novel a significant commentary on gender dynamics. Magical realism and narrative style: Jorge Amado employs a warm, humorous, and empathetic narrative style, with subtle elements of magical realism that add a layer of enchantment to the story. This style immerses readers in the vibrant cultural and social life of Ilhéus, making the novel both entertaining and thought-provoking. This was our summary of Dona Flor and Her Two Husbands by Jorge Amado. We hope it helped you.